A lot has been spoken about the true nature of volcanoes, and in my opinion, they appear to be an invention of science. Now, when you are witnessing a real phenomenon and force of nature, for example, standing on rocks and watching the waves, the ocean is unpredictable and it is dangerous to stand on the waves in case you get swept out to shore and most likely killed. Now, this guy is holding a video camera and apparently filming a uncontrollable natural phenomenon with tons of ferocity. So it doesn't make sense that this guy can stand here with a camera phone and film lava, in quotes, lava. Now you will see some footage coming up, and it appears to be just an underground pipe system, um, defying gravity, in quotes. Now, if that was an unpredictable force of nature, wouldn't it be absurd to you that this guy is standing there filming that with a video camera? It seems like a rather controlled and steady flow. And wouldn't it melt the so-called rock cone that it's spewing out of? Certainly makes you scratch your head. Not to mention it would be a health and safety issue as well. When you say volcanoes aren't real, people like to say they seen one in Hawaii. But in my opinion, this stuff isn't anywhere near as hot as what it is made out to be. I saw this video on Josh Stone's channel. He goes on to say that the volcanoes are giants, which is just another psyop as well. But it certainly goes into the round earth core narrative and also the gold as well, which I've covered on a previous video, because gold is supposed to come from molten rock. And a lot of the gold mines appear fictitious, and the illusion of gold is created, similar to lava, to make people think that it is valuable when it is not. And I have seen gold bars made before on a school excursion in Sovereign Hill. So, just like they can synthesize diamonds, gold can also be manufactured, and it doesn't make sense that the majority of gold is dug from the ground when it simply can be created.